Flange with Profile. New Flange with Profile function allows users to create special shaped flanges by one command easily. In previous versions, if users wanted to create a special shaped flange, they need to create a full flange first, then create several sketches and extrude or fillet them to finish the design, which is very time-consuming and cumbersome. But in ZW3D 2020, creating a special shaped flange gets easy. Let's see how to do this by just one command. Look at this example. First, select Sheet Metal tab and click Flange with Profile button. Then select the edge on which you want to add a flange, and set the parameters like radius and length. You can see the new option, Edit Profile, here, which can customize the shape of the flange. After clicking Edit Profile, the sketch environment will appear, and you can sketch the shape as you want. So all customizations of the flange can be done here. When you finish modifying the shape, click the Exit button. Now you can see that the flange shape is changed to the one you've customized. What's more, after you finish the customization, you can still go back and modify the sketch, and the modifications will take effect immediately. With Flange with Profile in ZW3D 2020, you can largely increase the efficiency of creating a special shaped flange.